Hey guys, it's Miss Technical, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code using ChatGPT that does not expire, a QR code that does not expire. Now, I personally have the upgraded plan of ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT every single day, and it helps me with multiple aspects of my business. So it's up to you if you want to upgrade or not, but if you do have the upgraded version, then this video is for you. So the steps are pretty simple, but I'm also going to show you towards the end of this video how to use a template. It's free that I made for you for your QR code so that you can print it and have people scan it. So go to chatgpt.com and basically type in, can you make a QR code for, and then the domain. ChatGPT will analyze it, and then bam, you have your QR code. You're going to click on that link and then download your QR code. And it will look something like this. Now, how exactly do you create a business card? So in the description, I have a link to a Canva template. Click on that Canva template, upload your QR code, and then drag and drop it to where you see where that image is. Next, to download the business card, you're going to click on share. After you click on share, then click on download. Underneath the drop down, you're going to choose PDF print and then click download. Now, personally, I made the size of the template a certain size that I recommend, and this specific size can be used on Move.com. So on Move.com, you're going to click on business card, and then you're going to click on original business card, and then click on the Move size business card. And then underneath that, click on upload a full design, and then you're going to upload that design that you received on Canva, and then bam, you have your business card that you're able to print. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, to help support my channel, please follow me as well. Thank you guys for watching.